Today's the day that I finally finished this project behind me. I've been working on this car for too long. Since the last video, I've had the car professionally cleaned. This is what the seats look like. The interior of the car looks really good. On the rear seats as well, they've been cleaned. The only thing that is missing is there's still no carpet, but I've got the carpet professionally cleaned as well. These two bolts are both T50mm. I'm at the stage now where things get interesting because the seats are about to come out, and I'm super excited because once those seats are out, the carpet goes in, seats go back in, car is done. There's one. So I've got this glue, this insulation glue. So we're gonna go ahead and spray of it. Plonk the insulation on. Go ahead and bring the cable through the hole for the harness. Like that. Push this in. It needs to be all the way up here. Oh, I'm so excited that this is going in, honestly. Get the carpet underneath here. Just tuck it in.